Hey guys, I thought I'd add this real quick, if Shadow's going to let me. This transition that we worked really hard to keep smooth on the disc sander and then the rotary platen, that can all be for naught if you start hand sanding and use methods that don't allow you to maintain that. So I know when I first got started, I thought the last thing that you wanted to use for sanding the wooden handle, especially with a lot of contour, was something with a steel backing. But again, this transition here, in order to maintain, a seamless joint here, we don't want to wash this wood away and end up with a hump as you're coming into the guard. So what I like to use is one of my steel backers for hand sanding the blades. This is just a piece of Precision Gun 01. At this point in the game, on that 600 grit paper, this is just Mirka paper. And the key here, though, is just like, if you're using a round file or a round wheel and you don't want to make something round, you don't stay in one spot. Well, it's like we don't want to make this flat. I'm not going to stay in one spot. So I move quickly, constantly rotating with the handle contour, and as you can see, I'm kind of going at an angle here. And what that does is it puts the leading edge of my sandpaper and my backer onto the guard, so that once I'm up on there, part of the paper's up onto the stainless guard, part of the paper's still trailing behind on the wood. If I were just going a straight line, that will work, but every time I go from wood to steel, I'm risking causing that washout right there. And so if I go at an angle like this, hopefully that shows up, we can eliminate that. And then the sanding fixture is really nice. Can position the handle anywhere I want. You can tell I'm getting not only sawdust built up, but some of the polymer, because this is a piece of stabilized curly koa from Hawaii. Again, just pinch the paper real tight. Same thing, leading edge. And what I'm trying to accomplish here is not just sanding the wood, but I'm trying to get any machine finish marks that I put into the guard. I'm trying to get those out, because I want to ultimately have a very nice hand sanded finish across the side profile of this guard. And I typically do the same thing on the underside. This one I'm probably going to mirror polish this for something different. I use the sandpaper like it's free. And the other nice thing about using a backer like this is, one thing, if there's anything anybody at shows ever asks me how I do it, it's usually this transition in here. And the transition started with files. A lot of guys kind of wash this out. Some guys do it on purpose. I used to wash it out just because I didn't know of any way to keep this sharp transition in here. But the steel backing on the sandpaper allows me to maintain that by not rocking over that line and washing that out. So that's a big thing for me. That's really important for me. It's the little details that set these things apart from something you can buy off the shelf at a store, or even the guy with the table set up next to the show. So anyway. At this point, I've already went over the entire handle with 320 grit paper, and any little oddball inconsistencies I may have had from the disc sander and the belt sander should have been taken out at this point. So the 600 grit is purely taking all the 320 out for finishing purposes. So that's it for this one. Thanks.